Hey guys, I'm Game Dev Guy, also known as Mike Donovan, and welcome back to the channel. Particularly to those guys that have come over from Thomas Brush's channel the other day. Thanks very much. And if you're here for the first time, welcome. Just wanted to check in because I've been planning to get some content out much more frequently, but been really busy recently. I've got a full-time job. I'm getting used to OBS still. Chuck that on. Yeah. So yeah, I'm also as well as working full-time on a pretty stressful, demanding job. I am also doing a graduate diploma in data science. One second, I'm gonna change a few things. Chuck that one off, chuck that one on. And yeah, so like data science, been doing a Python assignment for the last week, and a Jupyter notebook. And what else have I been doing? A lot of things, man. I've been working on some stuff for the channel. You probably saw a new graphic there at the start, and thinking about redoing the intro video because I wasn't really that happy with the first one. I might do that a bit later. I've also been working on a tutorial for some people. Where is it? Here it is. Here, I think. Yep, so just working on a projectile motion tutorial, just so that, like, just to teach people about projectile motion, how to work out some fairly, solve some fairly simple equations to, or how to turn them into code so that you can work out where something's going to go when you fire it or whatever. So I made this little firing range here. And yeah, so it doesn't bounce the ball, but yeah, so there's that. And yeah, that took a little bit. And what else have I been doing? Yeah, working on the stuff for the channel. I've also been just thinking about what I'm going to do for my next game, and just working through a few things. I made this little guy a fair while ago, and I've had a couple of ideas in mind for a next game. I think there's some animation here. Should be idle. Yeah, a little idle animation and a very basic run animation, which looks a bit shitty there, but when you see it in game, it looks a little bit better. Anyway, not final. It's just I just wanted to get something up at some particular point. Yeah, so I've been thinking about doing a sort of a game based on something like either an escape from hell or something similar to that. So yeah, I'm thinking about using this guy. And this might look similar to, some of you might recognize this style as being similar to Blackthorn Prod's stuff. And although I've created similar, I mean, it's just a very basic colored background at the moment, just to mess around with the kind of style that he uses, and some very basic bits of platforms. But yeah, so I'm thinking about doing that. I've also been, you might have seen another video where I was working on some mountains for an Egypt game, but I think I'm going to go this direction for now. So yeah, hopefully I can finish off that projectile motion shoot, and then get stuck into this pretty soon, and hopefully well, I think my studies are going to calm down for a couple of weeks as well. So that'd be good. What else was there? Not a lot else to report for now. I did want to mention this guy here whose background I've been using on my cam. I'll just go back to the... No, I don't have to go back to the cam. But you probably recognize this style. This is on a great site called ArtStation. I think he's a conceptual artist, senior concept artist at Ubisoft. And yeah, amazing. So just wanted to mention him. I don't know how you pronounce that. Pengzhen Zhang, something like that. But yeah, just thought I'd give a little shout out to him, seeing as I'm using one of his images on my background a fair bit. Speaking of which, let's go back and turn that off again. Display capture off. And that one on again. Alright guys, so not a lot to show today, but wanted to check in and say I hadn't forgotten you guys or the new channel. And I hope I've got something cool to show you soon. Alright, take care and catch you next time. Bye.